So there are 7 different question types you may see in the IELTS Writing Task 2 section, and each question type has a completely different essay format you need to follow. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how exactly you should be structuring your agree-disagree essay for the IELTS Writing Task 2 section. So for the agree-disagree essay question type you may be given, you must either agree with the reason or disagree with it. For this question type, you have to either agree or disagree. You cannot choose both sides and write one paragraph of why you agree and one paragraph of why you disagree. It's either agree or disagree. So once you choose a side, you must be able to back up your points by giving supporting ideas throughout paragraphs 2 and 3. So you must have some main ideas, and then you have to give supporting reasons of why you actually agree to this point or disagree with it. So the exact format for an agree-disagree question type is, in paragraph 1 is your introduction. Paragraph 2 is the first reason of why you agree or disagree. Choose one side, and one side that you have a strong belief of more than the other, because also in paragraph 2, you are going to write why you agree or disagree in paragraph 2 as well, but it has to match the paragraph 3. And then the conclusion is in paragraph 4. So if you want to know exactly how many main ideas and how many supporting ideas you should be including in each paragraph, then make sure you check out my IELTS Writing Task 2 booklet down below. This booklet is actually a template of all the 7 different essay questions you may see in your IELTS Writing Task 2, with sentence for sentence instructions of how exactly you should be structuring each particular question type you may see. The IELTS Writing Task 2 template booklet is actually currently on sale. Make sure you check it out because I've discounted it at a really good price for $7 a booklet, and it's over 30 pages long for you to be able to prepare for your IELTS Writing Task 2 section for the new year. So let's talk about how many sentences each paragraph should include. So your introduction should be a maximum of 4 sentences, and then your first body paragraph should be 4 sentences maximum, then followed by your second body paragraph, which should be 4 sentences maximum, followed by your conclusion, which should be 3 sentences maximum. Once again, guys, if you want to know what to include in every single sentence, check out my description box down below for that template booklet, because I really think this template booklet will really up your game in passing your IELTS Writing Task 2 section. So guys, speaking of essay templates, make sure you check out this video up above of me breaking down an advantages and disadvantages question type you may see in the IELTS Writing Task 2 section, with an example essay to see how you can score a band 9. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, because I put out content every Friday on this channel.